देखो, कोई किसी के लिए खुश नहीं होता. अगर आपको कुछ अच्छी चीज मिली है ना लाइफ में, चुप बैठे रहो. नजर इज रियल.
Really?
You should keep your dating life private. Couple goals. Seriously, man.
Why will you include sex in?
I'm not here to be a good, morally upright, judgy uncle. I'm here to tell a good love story. And there is no love story without sex. When the sex is so good, you're like, ye soulmate hai yaar. But is it? Or is it just lust? Like when you're deeply in love with a person, is the sex better?
Do you think men forget their first love?
No. No. Men don't forget any love. When I say my messed up love story, it's not really sure whether it's Saket ki messed up love story or is it
Chetan's love story.
So we are living in a very strange era where it's become even harder to answer the question, how do you know someone is the one?
How is book writing different from stand-up comedy?
Stand-up comedy is made up of something called bits in which you have to immediately create laughter. And either people laugh or they don't laugh.
ऐसे कौन से रेड फ्लैग हैं जिसके साथ चेतन रह सकते हैं?
Thank you for asking such in-depth question. Like, believe it or not, I've never been asked in 21 years.
Are you obsessed with sex? मैं आपको बताऊं कि आपकी जो नई बुक आई है by the way, 12 years. This is the frame. You should look at it. मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि मैं क्यों इस बुक से इतना ज़्यादा रिलेट किया.
Okay.
So इसमें
Firstly, you read it?
Of course I read it.
Okay.
I read it in one day.
Okay.
क्योंकि एक तो मेरे पास समय कम था और दूसरा नॉर्मली होता क्या, आई एम नॉट रियली एविड रीडर. मैं इतना नहीं कि पागलों की तरह बुक पढ़ता हूँ और मुझे बहुत शौक है बुक पढ़ने का. बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई वाज लाइक ब्रीज इन कि पढ़े जा रहा हूँ. आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग
दैट्स अ गुड थिंग.
एक्सर्शन.
सो यू लाइक्ड इट?
आई लव इट.
ओके.
और उसके बहुत सारे रीजन है कि मैं लव क्यों करा उस बुक को और रिलेट क्यों किया उस बुक से. सो आई एम ऑफ द सेम एज एज साकेत, राइट? एंड आई डेटेड अ गर्ल एज द सेम एज ऑफ पायल.
Younger
exactly as the same age gap difference between Saket and Payal, जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं बुक के अंदर भी.
Wow.
And one of the reason, जैसे पायल के पेरेंट्स की कहानी है कि वो obviously बड़े older guy को oppose कर रहे हैं, similar कहानी मेरी है.
Oh.
And
that is really hitting close to home, huh?
Absolutely.
Okay.
तो मैं इस वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा relate किया. And the other thing was again the caste difference. Payal is Jain and I am Punjabi. Saket is obviously Punjabi. Same situation in my case.
Oh, wow.
Why love again after so much of a gap?
I felt like I needed to do something fun and light and get back to the roots. Sometimes, everybody needs to get back to their roots. And what people have loved about my work is my love stories. They just remember them. Like Two States is still remembered. It came out in
Someone.
Five Point Someone also had a love story, The Professor's Daughter. People remember that.
Yeah.
2009 Two States came out. 2004 Five Point Someone came out. Even books like Half Girlfriend did extremely well. And people felt that I handle romance really well. And बस love stories में यही होता है कि it's a boy meets girl. So you have to give a fresh take. I was not getting a fresh take and I was not getting that inspiration. And I said, okay, let me take a break. I did a few murder mysteries. I did a motivation book, 11 Rules for Life. But then this story came to me. And I felt if I do a love story, it has to be a very challenging love situation. Almost like morally gray. See, all this right and wrong is separate, but for a writer it's really challenging to do a story and execute it well. Whereas there's a 33-year-old divorced guy, 21-year-old girl who's never had a boyfriend, immediately red flags come up कि ये क्या हो रहा है. And for me it was fascinating that can I execute this properly and how can I make it different. So 2009 में Two States came, boy girl, different communities, they like each other. Parents convinced नहीं हो रहे. Parents are not sure, right? So we have to convince the parents. That's the plot. In 2025, society is different. Today, couple only is not sure. I am only not sure. We are only not convinced that if we should be together. I thought, wow, that's really fascinating. Parents to baad mein aate, that external enemy comes later. And today we are living in that world because this word called situationships wasn't there in 2009. It's there now. What does situationship mean? It means like a complicated, confused relationship. So I felt that will make a fascinating story where it's morally grey whether they should even be together or not.
जैसे हम 5 Point सम्मान की बात करते हैं. By the way, that was my first book that I
Okay.
read ever. मतलब
Okay.
पहली बुक मोस्टली मेरे को लगता है इंडिया में ज्यादातर सबकी 5 Point सम्मान
अरे
होती
thank
है.
you.
Yeah, मेरी भी
I
वही
mean, you're
थी.
from IIT Delhi as well,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
yes.
तो but 5 Point सम्man was inspired by your own story, right?
Yes.
2 states inspired by your own story. यहाँ पे किसकी
They are
इंस्पिरेशन
all
है?
inspired by my own
What
story.
about this?
I'm just become good at hiding them, but they're all inspired by my stories. To be very frank with you, if a book is connecting
हाँ.
with like lakhs and lakhs of people and it's remembered for years, then an author has to give a piece of himself or herself to the readers.
So there is a piece of you in
Of
it.
course. देखिए इतनी लव स्टोरीज आती हैं. There's like hundreds of Mills and Boone coming every year. Nobody remembers them. This is going to stay with you. You are not going to forget this story. And you connected with it. And that's because it's... And that's the skill जो 20 साल writing के बाद आ जाता है. I can make fictional characters and they have elements of me which are not known. कि कैसे... But it is there. It is me. So definitely it is, when I say my messed up love story, it's not really sure whether it's Saket ki messed up love story or is it Chetan's
की messed up love story. Yeah.
And I would never reveal because that's like asking magician ki what is
Trick
your...
बताओ अपनी.
हाँ ये कैसे किया. But that's the magic. The magic comes because the emotions are real. Everything is real.
Yeah, I can definitely say that. But मुझे एक बात बताओ कि is Chetan Bhagat a bold writer? और मैं क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ ऐसा? Most of the writers shy away from including bold scenes, sex scenes in their work of art, right? आपके केस में मैंने एक चीज देखी है कि आप कभी भी shy away नहीं होते. Like if the story demands that there has to be a sex scene, which is there by the way in the book, and very, very intimate scene.
Yes.
Especially the first one.
Yes.
So how? Like, why first of all you include sex scenes, and is there a particular reason you always focus on that?
No, you focus on that. I have written 400 pages. You are focusing on it. Okay, which you should ask why.
Which most men will do, by the way.
Yeah, but if you're talking of love, romantic love, not mother-child or sibling love, sex is part of it. I mean, how can you write a love story without getting into what is the sexual dynamic between the couple? I mean, it's just, you are not telling, I'm introducing these characters to you. I want to make them look real to you. But then I say, then they shut the door. I mean, you want to be in the bedroom next to them. What are they thinking? One, so I need to give it for that. Secondly, in this story, they are completely mismatched on paper.
Right.
But the sex is amazing.
Yeah.
And that confuses you. When the sex is so good, you're like, ye soulmate hai yaar. But is it? Or is it just the sex is good? Yeah. So I had to bring the sex into the thing. In fact, the earlier edits had more sex.
Really?
I had to cut it down.
I want that book, by the way.
You want that book. It was already getting too big. And I had conveyed the point that their sexual dynamic is insanely good. But is that enough? Is it lust? Or is it love? Is it good because it's love? Like when you're deeply in love with a person, is the sex better? Or is it that the sex is really good, therefore it is love? I don't know the answer. It's not very clear. But I think I needed to show this here. And yes, it required boldness because like I said, the guy's older, the girl's younger. They are into role plays. They're into all kinds. I mean, people should read the book and figure out. And it confuses. Yeah. And it almost creates an addiction. And you don't know whether it's a sexual addiction or are we in love with each other. And I think I wanted the reader to feel as confused while reading this story as the characters are. So it needed it. जैसे वो हीरोइन बोलती है ना स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड थी. I think sex
book
चाहिए.
की डिमांड थी.
What I have done though is, I mean, I make them short. They are impactful. Yeah. But I make them short. Why they are remembered? I can tell you that also. There's pornography everywhere. Any kid can open their phone and see pornography today. What I do is I first create normal Indian middle class characters. A girl who's middle class, working, talking to mom on the phone. Then she comes in the room and then she has sex. That's really crazy and wild for people. Ye Payal Jain is having sex, who I know very well. So that's why the impact is very different. Even the pornography shows you things far more explicitly. Right. So I think that's also there. But I think you cannot be like, I'm not here to be a good, morally upright, judgy uncle.
Huh.
I'm here to tell a good love story, and there is no love story without sex. It's just we pretend in our movies we don't show sex.
Hmm.
तो हमें लगता है love story without sex होता है, but I mean at least as a man, I
बट
mean
दिखाना चाहिए मूवीज में.
I don't know. I mean in दिखाना चाहिए कि it depends how you show it.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर इस बुक का मूवी बनता है कल को,
I would like to keep it.
यू वुड
Yes,
लाइक टू कीप इट.
this it's necessary here
हाँ.
because it's there's a film, another separate film called Lust Caution. It's a film abroad in Taiwanese director made it, award-winning film. In that, a young girl seduces a Chinese general to spy. But as she's sleeping with him so many times and he has such intense sex with her, she develops feelings for him. So he had to show the sex because otherwise we will not be convinced what's happening to her. So it's one of those moments here where we have to show that thing. I don't know how with our censorship laws you can show. You don't have to show skin.
Yeah,
You don't have to show.
like Japanese porn.
You don't have to. You don't have to pixelate also.
Yeah.
You just have to like carry the sex scene as part of the story.
Hmm.
So if you show it nicely, it will be fine. But if you show it to like, focus on body parts and just titillating people,
Right.
that's not nice.
राइट. मैं ना इसमें बहुत एक इंटरेस्टिंग और अमेजिंग चीज मैं बताऊंगा जो मैंने नोटिस की जब भी मैं आपकी पूरी ये चैप्टर्स पढ़ रहा था. लाइक देयर आर मल्टीपल सेक्शंस टू इट. है मुंबई की स्टोरी है, दुबई की स्टोरी है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. वन ऑफ द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट आई फेल्ट इज कि एक तो हर एक सीन को ना एकदम मोती पिरो के जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि दिखाया गया है.
Hmm.
Like while you're reading it, you can actually feel immersed in that situation yourself, which I loved it. और दूसरी एक चीज मैंने अच्छी नोटिस की, which obviously you're a great writer, कि आप पहले ही बता देते हो हल्का सा हिंट कि अगले 2 पेज के बाद क्या होने वाला है.
Hmm.
That keeps me hooked.
Yeah,
कि यार
that's why.
क्या crazy चीज है. How do you develop this habit of writing?
So this time, I think for the first time in a decade, I gave the book priority over everything else.
Hmm.
What has happened is me as a brand have been able to do many things on social media, YouTube, motivational talks, writing columns in newspaper, TV appearances, movies. I'm all over the place. From a brand point of view, it's great. But what was happening was pure focus on writing was not happening. Like there's a book called Deep Work I read, very famous book. It talks about how you should do that one thing and isolate yourself and really immerse yourself in it, and that gives you the deepest creative satisfaction in life. Sometimes we like to do multiple hats, like you also have software companies and this podcast. It's great, but it also means that sometimes the focus can be all over the place. So for this book, I felt I want to do it well. I had the stand-up comic as a hero, which was a very challenging thing for me because I have to write the stand-up comedy acts. Whatever acts he performs, who will write? I'll only have to write. So I just isolated myself. I moved to Dubai to write this book. I just cut down on work, other assignments a lot. And I gave it the focus like I wasn't doing anything else. So when you're writing, I was living in this world. I was in Pile and like I would be next to them while they are doing their pillow talk. It's almost like you start hallucinating and you are just able to write in a way that now I'm very glad to hear that you could feel that you are in the scene. You could visualize Dubai and you can visualize Mumbai ki galiyan of Pali Hill and everything because it's written by a guy who's like really immersed himself in it. So I think basically a lot of focus.
तो स्पेशली आप दुबई इसीलिए गए सिर्फ बुक के लिए?
नहीं, I knew Dubai.
Yeah.
I was handling a very difficult subject of age difference.
हाँ.
As a 51-year-old man, you can go really wrong trying to show like a 21-year-old girl like that. But so I chose cities that I knew. So I knew Dubai somewhat. I knew Mumbai. And I had not written about these cities in my previous books. So I just took those cities.
One of the interesting thing that you mentioned about Dubai is a concept of sugar babies. Sugar babies की अगर हम बात करें, this is a very, very weird yet accepted kind of concept, right? जो कि
It's not a Dubai thing.
हाँ, of course.
It's a worldwide thing.
मैंने देखा, in fact, US और UK में तो there is a platform called Seeking.com.
सब आपने कर लिया research.
Which has over 50 million users only for this. sugar
Really?
babies. Yeah,
50 million?
50 million users
Wow.
just on the concept of sugar daddies and sugar babies.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
But where else have you seen this concept happening?
Everywhere. They may not call it sugar baby,
हाँ
but sir, ये तो हमारी हिस्ट्री में जब रखेल बोलते थे,
हाँ.
क्या है रखेल?
But that was more of a one-time transaction, ना?
No. That is, आप
अच्छा.
prostitution की बात कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
रखेल is keep, रखी हुई,
Oh yeah.
which means you are supporting her financially, and
Right.
she is your second wife or like a girlfriend or whatever, like a lover. So ये तो हिस्ट्री में है सर. ये तो कब से चल रहा है कॉन्सेप्ट.
But personally आपने कहाँ देखा है? खुद से? In your circles?
Nobody talks about. I've seen it in many places. In India, I've seen. Yeah, abroad, I've seen. Everywhere, it's there. They may not call it that, but you know that the girl's with the guy for what he provides financially. You know the guy is with her what she gives him for by being young or whatever. It's called the oldest profession for a reason.
But do you think morally it's a good barter?
I'm nobody to judge. As a writer, my job is not to judge morally. It's obviously not the same as having a real relationship. Let's be very clear.
Yeah.
It will not, it's a transactional thing. Literally, आपने कहा seeking arrangement or whatever that site is called.
Seeking.com.
So these are arrangements. These are not written contracts, but these are like understandings. So it comes in that zone: understanding, contract, arrangement. Where it's not relationships.
इनफैक्ट अफ्रीका में इसको ब्लेसर एंड ब्लेसी का कॉन्सेप्ट बोलते हैं.
चलो उन्होंने
जैसे इंडिया में रखेल की बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ,
वहाँ
हर
पे
जगह
ब्लेसर
है,
एंड ब्लेसी.
हर जगह है. हाँ.
या बट अमेजिंग. मुझे अब रिलेशनशिप की बात कर रहे हो, बीच में आपने बोला कि यार इट इज नॉट अ रियल रिलेशनशिप. व्हाट इज अ रियल रिलेशनशिप?
It's very interesting questions.
Yeah.
What is a real relationship?
Yeah.
What is the difference between lust and love?
Yeah.
You know, I mean, somebody recently told me long-term lust is love.
Really?
Sort of.
Yeah, but that's a shocking thing.
It's a sort of like it requires, okay, it may not be the only thing that is love, but you definitely need long-term lust. You cannot have love without lust, romantic love. I mean, it's difficult. It's a very big part of it. But what else is there? I think it's emotional connection. It's about having an understanding with each other about shared goals, shared dreams, having a witness to your life, having somebody who actually cares about what you do. कि आपने क्या खाया और आपने क्या अचीव किया, कहाँ फेल हुए. Maybe that's something, but it's not easy one to answer. See, even a writer like me is stuck. What is love? How do you know someone is the one? That's the question. How do you know, right? It's really
maybe
difficult.
If the sex is better.
Wait, is that enough? I don't think so. It can't just be that because, clearly they were mismatched and a lot of times the sex is good. But then what else is there? And आजकल ऐसी दुनिया में भी लोग रह रहे हैं कि we are in this tech world where everybody sees everything. Options are there. You go with your boyfriend on a date. वो आपको अच्छे छोले भटूरे की जगह दिल्ली की बेस्ट लेके जाता है, अपनी सिंपल सी गाड़ी में आ रहा है, आप खुश हो उसके साथ, मजे आ रहे हैं, खिड़की खुली है. What a lovely day you had. Then you open Instagram and your friend का boyfriend took her to a 5-star hotel in a nice car. Now suddenly you feel, oh, okay. It wasn't like this earlier, right? 20 साल पहले हम नहीं देख सकते थे औरों की जिंदगियां लाइव, पर अब देख सकते हैं. अब आपको फिर लगेगा यार पता नहीं, am I with the one? Half an hour back you felt you were. So it's all very crazy right now. And you also see, if you have a breakup, you can see your ex getting married on Instagram. They will like if you keep following them or like, I mean, unki feed mein unki mehndi aa rahi hai. It wasn't like this 20 years back. So we are living in a very strange era where it's become even harder to answer the question, how do you know someone is the one? How do you know it's love? How do you know I should settle with this person? I don't know.
Okay, so if anybody is watching this, अगर चेतन भगत को बताना हो लोगों को,
आप बताओ. Let me tell you, you're younger, you're not married yet.
Yeah, I'm not married.
So how will you know someone is the one?
I think for me it's more about, जितना मैंने अपने बारे में डेटिंग करके ऑब्जर्व किया है, if I'm comfortably sitting with them in silence, that's one of a good sign for me. Okay. Like I don't have to feel pressurized.
चुप रहे.
चुप भी रहे ना आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा, तो भी एटलीस्ट हम हैप्पी हैं. मतलब दैट काइंड ऑफ solace in that peace.
शांति चाहिए आपको.
शांति है ना. दूसरा I think what I felt is if I'm able to make silly jokes in front of her,
हाँ.
that is one of the very amazing quality or of that relationship. Like I'm able to, in fact इसके ऊपर एक बात भी है. Like I read this.
And there's a lot of banter. The other thing
हाँ.
Saket and Payal have is they have a
Yeah.
lot of this.
Yeah, back
She's
and forth.
herself a stand-up comic, half a comic.
Correct,
She
correct.
also makes, yeah.
Correct. In fact, मैंने पढ़ा इसके बारे में. Couples who laugh at the same silly things are 3x more likely to stay together.
Correct.
Yeah. So मेरे को लगता है कि वो एक quality.
Humor. So yeah, maybe
Yeah.
that's another one. Can you
Yeah.
laugh together? Can
Correct.
you... So yeah, these are like, like I said, it's a difficult one to answer, and ultimately it's a gamble. Ultimately it's a risk you take. Everybody takes at some point in life. Ki bhai, okay, they are the one. And I just felt it's an interesting one.
तो मुझे एक बात बताओ फिर. When people are getting so many options of finding love, still I would say people are not able to find love. How
Correct.
do they seek love?
Because of so many options. अगर मैं आपको एक बुफे में लेके जाऊं और वहाँ 1000 डिशेज हैं और बोलूं खा लो, लेकिन आधे घंटे में सारी डिशेज चेंज होंगी, 1000 और आ जाएंगी, फिर आधे घंटे में और आएंगी, यू विल गो क्रेजी.
Yeah.
What do you eat? Right? I mean, you're like, अभी वेट करता हूँ यार. So it's just one of those things where people are not realizing कि it is not about optimizing for better and better. It's about finding somebody who you can share your life with, who can be your partner, who will align with your goals, values, dreams, and making it beautiful with them. Maybe someone could have been better. Maybe they could have been prettier or more handsome or more rich or I don't know, funnier. But you chose someone to grow with. Well, that's the name of your podcast as well. I mean,
Yeah.
there's growth in love too.
Yeah.
Why do you feel कि किसी को एक मिल गए तो that's you can grow together
Yeah.
and become richer and more funnier and fitter together. Yeah.
But इतने options की वजह से extra marital affairs भी बहुत हो रहे हैं. That's
हाँ.
also on the rise.
Correct, because that again is about like people feeling I could have done better. I want to experience this.
Like, how do you spot red flags in someone, in your opposite partner?
I'll tell you something. This is something which is an issue with the young generation. It's a very popular term, red flags. And dating red flags. I went there, red flags. Then people come and announce it on social media also. I went on a date, and firstly, I don't think that's a good idea. If you had a private date, why are you announcing it? It'll just make people more withdrawn on dates. कि पता नहीं इसको पसंद नहीं आया है, लगा देके जाके. You know what I mean? Like it's just not like okay, but that's separate. But this whole thing of red flags, कि I'm not going with this person because everybody has red flags. We are all wrapped in red flags. लाल झंडे में हम लिपटे हुए हैं सारे. You will never find a person without red flags. So there will be red flags. What you have to be comfortable with. Which red flags can you live with?
Okay, let me ask you this way. ऐसे कौन से red flag हैं जिसके साथ चेतन रह सकते हैं?
So like for me, like you said, you like peace. I like peace too. I like somebody who's very quiet and peaceful. But sometimes women are not. They don't like that sometimes, and I'm okay with it. I'm okay with that red flag. It's not a red flag for me if she wants to like just have a talk now और अभी बात करनी है मुझे and तुमने ये नहीं ठीक करा वो नहीं. I don't like it. But it comes with the territory.
उतना मैं सह लूंगा.
I mean, you have to, and because men and women are different, they like to talk and they like to express, and I really haven't met that many women who say like this, like you said, कि I just want to sit in silence. मुझे तंग मत करो. No भाई, no.
ऐसा नहीं, गलत
I
expectation
mean,
है
if she
मेरी.
likes you, she will be like wanting to engage with you. I mean, if she's, I would, that's the other red flag. If your girlfriend is not interested in talking to you and switched off for 1 hour, that's also a red flag, no?
True.
So you have to, I think, be okay with that. I mean, I'm okay with people who have insecurities because we all have them. People have insecurities. People may have childhood traumas they're carrying till this day. अब मुझे perfect लाल हरी झंडी वाला बंदा चाहिए. मैं कौन सा रेड फ्लैग के बिना हूँ? So
आपके कौन से रेड फ्लैग्स हैं?
मेरे बहुत रेड फ्लैग्स हैं. I mean, I have this weird profession where I'm like I think differently. I told you to write, I need complete deep work mode, no distractions, nothing. I want to get away from the world. Then I suddenly want to come to launch the book. It's not easy being with me. I'm judged, I'm trolled. I live with all that every day. My partner will get some
Dragged
of
into
that
it, हाँ.
blowback. So I understand. So मतलब मेरे को क्यों हरी झंडी वाली like की expectation हो. So I
हाँ.
think we should all realize that people are imperfect. But somewhere down the line on Instagram, it's very easy to point out flaws. Narcissist terms. सारे narcissist हैं.
हाँ.
Everybody's narcissist and love bombing and all this. Relax. Firstly, get off social media. If you want to find true love, please don't be
क्या
on.
बात कर रहे हो?
I mean, it's not helpful to discuss your dating journey.
हाँ, that way of
or
course
like
you should.
you
Yeah.
should keep your dating life private.
हाँ.
Couple goals.
Yeah.
Seriously, man. I mean, just like if you're in the market for engagement and
हाँ.
likes, then do that.
हाँ.
But the moment you start mixing it you are taking something very private into a public arena. It's like you being in a stadium and like if you have 10,000 followers also, you're like in a indoor stadium.
Right.
And you are dating in that stadium. And
Correct.
everybody's watching you and the reality show of your life. Doesn't make for a very good foundation, I feel.
हाँ, इसकी जो आप बात कर रहे हो ना, actually it is called as CSI effect.
Oh.
क्या है? तो it's a psychological issue or a problem. जब हम फॉर एग्जांपल नेटफ्लिक्स पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे किसी को देखते हैं कि वो अपने कपल गोल्स शेयर कर रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, सो दैट इन ए वे क्रिएट्स अ मेंटल ह्यूरिस्टिक कि भाई कपल गोल, परफेक्ट कपल का मतलब ही वही होता है जो इंस्टाग्राम पे लॉयल्टी प्रूव करता है एक दूसरे को. एंड बिकॉज वी आर एडिक्टेड टू वॉचिंग दैट कंटेंट, द रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑल्सो गेट ब्रेन रैप्ड इनटू दैट सिचुएशन कि भाई ये नहीं किया तो मतलब वो लॉयल नहीं है मेरे लिए.
Dude, I have seen people who I know are having extramarital affairs, men and women, and they are putting posts with their current spouses, celebrating their birthday or holiday and writing such sweet captions. Itne sweet. कि the journey together, walking in the sand, leaving footprints. पता है क्या क्या कि आप सोचोगे भैया ऐसा प्यार तो मतलब हुआ ही नहीं कहीं. और मुझे पता है
रियलिटी
कि क्या चल रहा है पीछे. So I don't know what the psychology is, but it's really red flag. I think that's a red flag. But it's just the reality. I think social media is very seductive, but it's one thing to use it. I'm using my social media to promote my book and everything. Occasionally, you want to put a family picture, you want to put a picture of your girlfriend, boyfriend. It's okay, but the intention should not be to portray to the world that what a wonderful boyfriend you have or what a wonderful girlfriend you have. It's not a good foundation. That means वो मतलब
आप पोस्ट करते हो?
No, I mean no. I mean
frequently?
a lot of in fact my team keeps telling me and I have to do it a little bit that you should not make your Instagram only about work. I only do motivational quotes or book related things or my YouTube content. ऐसे ये हम बात करें इसका एक clip लगा दिया. But it is correct advice कि you should have some personal. So if I'm with my friends, कभी-कभी मैं story लगा दूंगा. If I'm in the gym, कभी-कभी लगा. But I do it, but I am very careful. And I mean, my kids, for example, I mean, now that they are 21, but throughout, like until they became big teenagers, I never posted them because it's not okay, to have so much. That's what I think.
But don't you think it's in a way irony, for example, कि digital world में we are doing everything digital, we are promoting everything digital, yet we are feeling that getting out everything in the social media is a problem.
Yes. See, supposing you're hungry at home, you're sitting on your sofa, and you have a packet of chips in front of you. You just eat it. It's junk food. You'll feel okay. You'll feel थोड़ी भूख मिट जाएगी आपकी. But after a while, you will not feel good. ये क्या खा लिया यार, पूरा पैकेट चिप्स उठा के खा लिया मैंने. You could have stood up, got a toast out, cut some salad, टमाटर वगैरह काट के, put some healthy things, cheese बना के sandwich बना सकते थे. It's too much work नहीं किया आपने. But you just took the easy way out. Digital communication is the same. It's the junk food of communication. When we communicate in this way, it's very convenient to send a chat, to even put a post, to watch people digitally,
Hmm.
what they're doing. But it's not satisfying to people. It's an endlessly hunger. Jैसे junk chips खा खा के you'll always feel something is missing. It will feel like that. Real life interactions are okay. It's perfectly okay, for example, to meet your close friends and tell them how your boyfriend is, how amazing he is, or how stupid he is, or how beautiful, or how much you love your girlfriend. You can do that.
Hmm.
You should do that. If you have close friends, you should do it. That's different. That is you communicating about your love life to nears and dears who you trust. But to lazily just throw it on social media because it's just easy to take a picture and share it, I think that's where you are getting in the category of trying to get social validation
Hmm.
for your relationship, but using a medium which is a junk medium, which is a fast food. So you're not going to feel very good about
Actually,
it.
one of the interesting things जो आपने बीच में बोली ना, that you talk about your relationship with your friends, क्या कि भाई बताओ कैसा चल रहा है, friends, close friend के group को. One of the reason of conflict between a couple starts because they involve a third person in their relationship.
क्या हुआ अब तुम बताओ.
मैं अपनी दुखती
It's so obvious. Okay, like give me an example.
हाँ
You're talking for a friend, not
yeah
you. हाँ,
हाँ
हाँ. Your friend के साथ क्या हुआ
हाँ
आपके?
मेरे फ्रेंड के साथ, जैसे लोगों को पता नहीं चलेगा ना हम किसकी बात कर
नहीं
रहे
नहीं,
हैं.
आप asking for a friend.
So
हाँ.
if someone involves a third person in the relationship and they ask for their validation between दो कपल का, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे साथ अगर कोई हम चीज प्लान कर रहे हैं और वी आर डूइंग समथिंग टुगेदर and the third person who is their best friend gives a judgment on whether we should do it or not, right? That's an issue.
I agree.
हम्म.
देखो, कोई किसी के लिए खुश नहीं होता.
हाँ
अगर आपको कुछ अच्छी चीज मिली है ना लाइफ में,
हाँ
चुप बैठे रहो. I feel
ओके
nazar is real.
really
I think it's real. It's not so much about superstition. It is because people usually do not, very few people want the best for you. And you have to be the judge of that. There are a lot of frenemies, especially girls will have girlfriends who feel like, "Hey, she's my bestie." And they're all like bitching about each other. कि इतनी tight सी dress पहन के आ गई है तो मोटी लग रही है. It's just bizarre. And even with guys, you will have one or two friends who are like, you share everything with. And that place is safe. Like I said, if you feel safe to discuss. But otherwise, people often have agendas. People have their own insecurities. Maybe they didn't find the love. Maybe they have a value system which feels this is right, this is wrong. And they will start in bombarding. And if you, like you said, if you are telling them for their validation, it will lead, मतलब कोई और फिर आपका कठपुतली आप, you're a
हाँ
puppet,
right
and someone else is running that relationship. If you're doing it for validation, you shouldn't do it. If you're doing it to share something with your close friend because they are your close friend, you share everything with them, that's different. But I agree, especially love, romance, you should avoid.
आपने क्यों बोला नजर इज रियल? व्हेन हैव यू फेल्ट दैट?
It's
आपके
all
साथ
the
कभी
time.
ऐसा हुआ?
हाँ, बहुत बार होता है.
कोई एग्जांपल जो आप शेयर कर सको, व्हेन यू फेल्ट इट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ नजर?
When I mean anything nice, I try not to flex my life on social media. I'm extra careful. In fact, I'm too careful.
अच्छा.
So, I mean, I'm careful that I don't show that something nice. Like people put their Maldives में breakfast खा रहे हैं पानी में, पता नहीं कैसे खाते हैं. I don't even think it looks beautiful, but I don't think it's that nice to have your plate shoving around like, oh, mega toast. But like I don't do that. I go to nice places I don't go to Maldives. I find it very boring. But whatever. If I'm going out to a really nice restaurant or club, I feel like it's
नो बट
मेरा प्लम्बर भी देख रहा है यार. क्यों? पहली बात तो क्यों दिखा रहे हो उससे? It's not nice. He doesn't have access to that life. And maybe you're trying to just show it कि I'm happy and all, but he's seeing it in a very different way. और अगले दिन एक wrench लाके
आप तो एकदम क्रिमिनल स्टोरीज में पहुंच गए.
I don't know, I'm a storyteller, right? So I think it happens like that. So I've had
नहीं बट आप शुरू से ही ऐसे हो या अभी चेंज हुआ?
बाद में with fame.
क्या हुआ?
I don't know. I just get a lot of trolling. I get a lot of resentment for being successful. I think as a writer, a lot of writers, it's not easy to be a writer. Honestly, it's not. And you don't make money. You work for years. You get a lot of rejection, and you get a lot of times you go unnoticed. Years of work will go unnoticed. You create something, सालों लग के वो publish होता है, कोई देखता ही नहीं है. So, and then you see this writer who comes and makes it look very easy, casual. Oh, he's 33, she's 21, एक love story है. Oh, and he's being celebrated. Like, if I was not Chetan Bhagat and I was a writer, I would hate Chetan Bhagat.
क्यों?
Because it looks like he has something which he doesn't deserve. He looks like he gets. So a lot of people don't. I mean, I felt it at Lit Fests and all. I could feel the energy. I can't put it in words. The aura of that place was, I shouldn't be here. Like, here I am. I'm enjoying being here. I'm with you. I'm present in the moment. There I could feel that some people are like, ये कहाँ से आ गया? ये तो मतलब मतलब थर्ड क्लास वाला AC first में कैसे आ गया?
क्या बात कर?
I don't know.
You
So,
are the most celebrated
so
author.
just don't do. I mean,
हाँ.
I feel क्या फायदा क्या है?
हाँ.
Why do you want to flex? But then फ्लेक्स ना किया तो फिर मतलब सोच तो
हाँ.
तुमने किया भी. आजकल ये भी थिंकिंग है
ये
ना.
भी तो प्रॉब्लम है ना.
ये भी तो प्रॉब्लम
हाँ.
है कि अगर
नहीं दिखाओगे तो
दिखाया नहीं तो कि
रेलेवेंट भी तो रहना
हाँ,
है.
अगर कोल्ड प्ले कॉन्सर्ट गए
हाँ.
और पोस्ट नहीं किया तो वेस्ट ही है ना पैसे.
हाँ. इसमें पता है
कौन है कोल्ड प्ले कॉन्सर्ट जाता है जो बिल्कुल पोस्ट नहीं करता? सिर्फ मैं इतना अच्छा लगता मुझे कोल्ड प्ले. मैं कोल्ड प्ले गया, वापस आ गया चुपचाप, किसी को पता भी नहीं.
हाँ. आप गए थे?
मैं कोल्ड प्ले नहीं गया हूँ, बट आई
हाँ,
हैव गॉन टू
अच्छा,
लॉट ऑफ
generally,
कॉन्सर्ट.
हाँ.
समटाइम्स आई पोस्ट, समटाइम्स आई डोंट
हाँ,
पोस्ट. आई मीन इट्स ओके, बट या कोल्ड प्ले थोड़ा ओवररेटेड नाउ.
हम्म.
इट्स बिकम अ थिंग कि कोल्ड प्ले कॉन्सर्ट जाना है.
दिलजीत
आई लव्ड, आई वेंट, दैट वाज अमेजिंग.
आपने तो शायद एक स्टेटमेंट भी दी थी दिलजीत के बारे में. आई
हाँ,
थिंक
I love
मुझे
it.
याद,
It's
मैं
just
देखा था
too
वो.
cool.
हाँ.
So Diljit I went. AP Dillon I've seen.
पर्सनली मिले हो?
नहीं,
हाँ.
not yet. I would love to though.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ. बट मुझे क्यों बोला आपने कि डिजर्व नहीं करता चेतन भगत इस रूम में, जो भी आप बात कर
I'm
रहे
saying
थे?
someone else may feel that way
बट व्हाई वुड दे फील इट?
because they don't have it.
व्हाई डू यू थिंक दे विल फील इट?
Because they have been told they are better writers by their English teacher. Beta, you write really well.
ओके.
But the English teacher also never became a writer ना. उसको भी तो नहीं पता, वो तो बेचारी English teacher ही बन के रह गई.
हाँ.
तो you know, a lot of people grow up thinking what is good writing is good vocabulary. But that is not what is good writing.
आपने एक कोट किया था इसी के ऊपर.
हाँ, recently I just
हाँ. कहाँ गया वो कोट?
कि good writing
हम्म.
is good English.
गुड राइटिंग इज एन आउटपुट ऑफ गुड थिंकिंग. नवल
Yes.
रविकांत का एक कोट था,
हाँ,
उसके ऊपर आपने
उसके
एक
ऊपर बोला
स्टेटमेंट
था
दी
कि
थी.
it's
हाँ.
not, it's about clarity of mind, it's about expressing what you're trying to say. It's expression.
हम्म.
It's not language. Language is like a tool. It's like a hathodi hai. And you know, it's like if you have a hammer, you can't just make a statue. You need to have some talent to make. Otherwise, India में कितने English teacher हैं?
हम्म.
कोई कितने बने हैं novelist successful? Nobody.
बट आप क्यों सक्सेसफुल हुए फिर?
See, there is some luck. There
हाँ.
is some God's grace. But I think there's a deep desire to connect with people and to really understand. Like, language is the last thing I think about.
हाँ.
First, I think about what is happening with relationships. What can I show in this story that will mirror? I've never met you till today, but you said, यार ये book मेरे को लगा मेरे लिए लिखी गई है. I can tell you a lot of people are going to say this in different ways. Your तो was कुछ ज़्यादा ही direct.
हाँ.
Plot line ही आपकी तो match कर रही है.
हाँ.
But they will say, I felt like this. When the breakup happened, I felt like that.
Hmm.
When I met that girl, she gave me that feeling. You know, when we were intimate, yeah, that girl was also crazy like that.
Yeah.
So it will happen. Why? Because I've studied that. And I think that I spend a lot of time on.
Hmm. Why do you care about people?
I don't now.
हाँ.
I just don't go. I mean, I don't care.
But by not going, it may feel like you care.
No, it's waste of my time. I'd rather
Acha.
be with you. See, I have other places to
So
be.
it's a different
It's a
reason
different-
of not
I
going.
used to care.
अच्छा.
When I was in my 20s and 30s, when I first came out, you're all new as a writer. Now I know मेरी जगह क्या है.
Hmm.
You know, so I don't care. But I will not waste my time with people who don't understand me or have a certain negative way of looking at things. I just feel happy. I just recently did that post कि, you know, whatever, अच्छा है, बुरा है, ट्रोलिंग है जो है, बट 2025 में एक इंसान है जो किताबें लिख के अपनी रोटी कमा रहा है अच्छे से. And that is something nice. We are living in such a screen-filled world, AI world, and somebody's just writing books and making a living, even in 2025. And some people still care. I think that's amazing, and that person is me. So I think it's just beautiful.
इतना जब 5 Point सम्मान, इतनी सारी बुक्स आपकी obviously बेस्ट सेलर्स बनी है, राइट? आई एम श्योर पीपल हु हैव नॉट बीन देयर, डन दैट, व्हेन दे राइट अ न्यू बुक, दे डोंट हैव दैट प्रेशर, राइट? उनका अलग ही है जोन,
हाँ.
क्योंकि उन्होंने वो चीज़ देखी नहीं है आज तक.
हाँ.
बट आपके केस में राइट यू स्टिल हैव दैट 10x आई बिलीव प्रेशर कि भाई पिछले वाले के को बीट करना है मुझे. डू यू फील दैट?
Yeah, I mean, I have to find a way to keep it aside. Um, like I said, my first book, 5.1, I wrote as a innocent writer first time. That was probably my purest.
तब तो आप
उसके
जॉब
बाद
कर रहे थे
हाँ,
साथ में. हाँ.
but now I'm aware I'm Chetan Bhagat and like I have a contract and HarperCollins ये चल रहा है मतलब, and there's a big print runs and things like that I have to deliver, right? So you cannot like, you'll get too overwhelmed अगर ऐसे सोचोगे तो. And that is again why I had to isolate myself and get away from it all and tell myself, what is the story I want to write if I was not published? What is the story I want to write even if no one read it? I would still want to write it because I just love the story. I want to see it on paper for myself. I want to read that book. And that's usually the best work that comes because the pressure can be real. And if you let it affect you, ki, oh, you are whatever, bestseller, number one, whatever. So and every time I write a new book, I'm putting my reputation on the line. I have so many books and they are hits. So I can just chill rest of my life. I could have still come to your podcast. Ah, sir, ye ho gaya, maine ye kar diya, wo kar diya. Now I'm sitting here vulnerable. In 5 days, this is out, and the whole country is going to put their judgments on it. Some will be good, some will be bad. It's just what I do. I told myself I cannot be so attached to that, past success, fame. My karma is to write. अच्छा आए बुरा आए वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है. I try my best. As long as I feel I've written the best book I can. And I feel that with this book. अभी आई नहीं है but I am happy. कई बार होता है बुक हिट भी हो जाती है, अंदर से मुझे लगता है कि यार इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं थी, मैंने और कर सकता था. I could have, there was more room to make it better.
ऐसी कौन सी बुक में लगा आपको?
Like a one night at a call center.
अच्छा.
I felt I had released it too soon. Sometimes I've done things like that. So I think once I know that I'm writing it for myself and I am happy with it, then it doesn't matter.
हाँ. आपको लगता है कि हर राइटर की एक शेल्फ लाइफ होती है?
Yeah, I mean, हम सब human beings की shelf life होती है यार. We are all perishable people.
How does that define a writer? Like उसके केस में is it just the duration or something else? How do you stay relevant? अगर मैं उसको दूसरे तरीके से
Yeah, so shelf life होती है लेकिन from my experience you can extend it.
ठीक है.
Quite, there's some range you can make by constantly reinventing yourself and by constantly taking huge risks and still doing it. Like I did murder mysteries, I did a non-fiction book called 11 Rules for Life. All very difficult decisions. 11 Rules for Life did well, it still sells, but my publisher was like, sir, आप तो love stories लिखते हो. Or like when I started writing newspaper columns, आप तो पिक्चरें लिखते हो, आप कहाँ से US economy and Indian economy पे लिखोगे? So it was all risky moves. But all that has helped build my brand to a point where I can do a lot of things, and therefore it has given me a longer shelf life. So I think you can do it, but you just have to be willing to bet it all.
It's a classic marketing myopia. There is a term for it.
Oh really?
हाँ, मतलब for example, जब हम कुछ भी चीज करते हैं ना तो हम अपने आप को उस स्पेसिफिक जोन में रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पब्लिशर ने बोला कि यार तुम तो लव स्टोरी लिखते हो, तुम क्यों लिख रहे हो मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज? बट यू आर एसेंशियली अ राइटर, यू आर नॉट अ लव स्टोरी राइटर. यू थिंक एंड यू राइट, यू एक्सप्रेस. मीडियम कैन बी डिजिटल, मीडियम कैन बी यूट्यूब, मीडियम कैन बी एनीथिंग. Same way marketing myopia is like a term. For example, Uber. Uber is not in a cab business. Uber is into transportation business.
Correct.
They transport things. It could be a person, it could be a parcel, it could be a food.
True.
So ये पूरा उस तरीके
I mean,
से.
I'm not in the paper and ink business. So this book means, okay, it's just the way it is reached you, this story, but my business is the ideas I generate. Those ideas, if they are creative, they become a story. If they are analysis, they become a column. If there's something else, they could become a talk somewhere. So I know that is my business. And as long as I keep realizing that and don't restrict myself, it can be a longer shelf life. But, it's fine. I am also prepared for the day that shelf life is not there. Last few years mein I've started work on that. Ki,
You want to talk about it?
yeah, a lot of my identity was tied to my profession because of the fame and because of this, and I'm Chetan Bhagat. So which means अगर उसका उस करियर में अब स्विंग्स आ रहे हैं तो मेरे मूड में भी स्विंग्स आ रहे हैं. यू नो, अब वो नहीं मिला, वो वाली लाइक फेम नहीं मिला, या वो प्रॉफिट नहीं हुआ, या जो भी, मतलब इतने सेल्स नहीं हुए या कम हुए. एंड आई रियलाइज कि दिस कैन बी टेकन अवे. ऑडियंस टेस्ट चेंज, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. So then what will I do? I'll be a khokhla, like I'll be like a hollow person. So last few years I've tried to build my life that even if you take away this fame, I have a good life. Which means I reconnected with my old friends from IIT who knew me before I was famous. So they are friends with me anyway.
But you lost touch with
Lost
them.
touch. And reconnected. I reconnected with my kids while I was very busy in my career. I had spent less time with them. Now they're older, they're in college, but I feel have a better relationship with them because I'm there for them, present. I reduced the amount of work I do, but what work I do it for my satisfaction. Like I told you, I am happy with this book, which is very different from क्या होगा अगले हफ्ते जब book आएगी. It's okay, of course I'll track it, but I'm happy, you know.
क्या ये विपासना की वजह से हुआ है?
Yeah, I think so. I did Vipassana this year as part of that.
I know that. मैंने पढ़ा.
So it was
How was it?
It's crazy.
Have you done it? कभी नहीं की. But मुझे जानना है seriously.
You should go.
क्या होता है?
If you're getting that curiosity, then go.
मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुन लिया, like people.
No, if you're curious about it, which means there is something in you which is fascinated towards it, then go. It is very difficult.
Okay.
I'm a people person. I'm connected to society a lot. To suddenly your phone gets taken away and you cannot talk, and you're made to sit on the floor and meditate for 9 hours a day. It is a definition of hell. For the first 3 days, everything hurts. We're not used to sitting on the floor.
सही बात है.
And there is nobody you can complain to because you're not even allowed to talk.
Or are you allowed to exit if you want to? Anytime?
They strongly recommend not to.
अच्छा.
Especially midway because and some people do exit. Day 1, 2 पे mostly exits हो जाते हैं. And your mind find ways to exit. Convince हो जाता है. ये कमरा ठीक नहीं है, खाना ठीक नहीं है. हाँ मैं समझ गया क्या था ये. But I went with my friend from IIT Delhi only, Yashish Dhaiya, who started this company, Policy Bazaar.
Oh wow.
And both of us had told each other एक दिन करेंगे. So हम गए. तो अब दोनों गए तो you know,
दोस्त है, संभाल लेंगे.
कैसे, मतलब like who quits, challenge भी हो जाता ना कि मतलब कौन छोड़ेगा रेस. And the other thing was he's running Policy Bazaar, which means he gets 100 messages an hour about company business. मैं कहा अगर ये कर सकता है तो मैं तो यार writer हूँ. But then I did it. By day 3 and 4 your mind clears because you're not taking any new inputs. You know, you're not talking, you're not getting phone calls, you're not seeing content. और जो आपके ब्रेन के अंदर खिचड़ी पक रही होती है existing thoughts की, वो भी धीरे धीरे मेल्ट हो जाती है. And then your meditation also has become better. You've learned. You're sitting on the floor, pain is a little less. And that's when you really go deep inside you. And you see there is a subconscious mind we have. We all have this is all scientific also. This is subconscious mind which we never access. Because our conscious mind, the 10% on top of the cognitive mind, the logical mind is filled with thoughts all the time. So it dominates our current focus.
Like system 1, system 2.
There is a focus. There is a focus. You can say like a cursor होता है ना, जैसे word file में cursor आता है. वो किधर है? वो इस वक्त always towards thinking patterns. वो हटा दो, then you see what else is there. And that's your subconscious mind, which is memories and emotions. In the conscious mind, you have logic, thoughts, action plans. But here, it's a very big part of you, which is just memories and emotions. Some emotions come and go, but some become wrapped up like a hard stone and stay in those memories and keep giving you pain. It could be as simple as you were a child and someone insulted you as a birthday party. You've forgotten about it and your logical mind has so many thoughts कि अभी आप वो सोचते ही नहीं. But वो एक पत्थर की तरह आपके उसमें है and it's causing pain. ऐसे कई सारे होते हैं. And if you let yourself access that and combined with the pain you're feeling in your knees because you sit on the floor, it all feels one. And then slowly, slowly you let that pain melt away and it's gone. Whereas if you have a lot of accumulated pain, what happens is your subconscious mind tells the conscious mind, I'm in pain. Okay? Conscious mind is actually trying to help the subconscious mind. It's a little monkey, like a pet monkey. Okay, let me get you a cigarette. And then you have it and you feel good. Thodi der baad, I'm in pain. Okay, one more cigarette. And before you know, you're addicted. Alcohol, any of the distractions, sex, I don't know, whatever it is you find, food. But then you realize that the pain is coming from this little emotional stone wrapped in cling film वहाँ पड़ा हुआ है. उसको अगर मैं focus करूँ अपने आप को and where it's feeling in my body and I access it, it'll just melt away. It just melts away. So it can be extraordinarily powerful if you let it, if you treat it right. It is, I call it brain surgery. It felt like that to me. Much calmer. Ideally, you should come back and continue the meditation. मैं इतनी नहीं करता, to be honest. Few minutes here, there, flight में कर ली. But it's extraordinarily powerful.
How do people meditate, or how should they meditate?
They teach you first 3 days, you just focus on your nose.
अच्छा.
And in and out breath, because होता ही नहीं. उसके बाद they make you do a body scan. Like they
कि अपने
make you
आप mind पे focus करो,
mind पे करो,
हाथ
नाक
पे
पे करो,
focus
होठ
करो.
पे, every little part of your body. Idea is, I also am very interested in the neuroscience.
Yeah.
So I combine the two. So I think they do it from a Buddhist tradition. But what they're doing is something called interospection. When exterospection is when you are focusing on the outside world. When you do all this, you realize the sensations happening in your body and you are cut off from the outside world. Another way to cut off and go in. When you go to the sensation of your body, that subconscious mind ki jo pain hai, you realize where it is. And it's a constant pain.
Because there is a mind to body connection.
Mind and body same hai.
अच्छा.
There is no difference. It's just, we are same. It's like gut mein bhi neurons hain. It's just a organic matter which became, a fetus becomes brain and a heart and, it's all a clump of cells. So it's all same. It's just some areas have become specialized in something. So yes, it's all connected.
When you were in this path of Vipassana and learning about meditation, कभी आपको ऐसा भी feel हुआ कि there is a soul?
Yeah. So you feel that this concept of me is an illusion. We are like, you do AI agents in your company, right? So we are kind of like, all of us are little AI agents in a way. And we have sentience. In the sense कि हमारे अंदर हमें pain feel होता है. Emotions हैं. And हमारे अंदर motivators हैं कि हमें भूख चाहिए, खाना चाहिए. We go seek things for ourselves. We are self-preserving in nature. ये हमारी programming हो रखी है. But at the end of the day, we are all part of the matter in universe. It's just that we have some life in us. Some rocks are inert, some things are dead, some things are flying. But we are all part of that one clump. And that feeling you get, at least I got, कि we are all one with the universe. So I know it sounds very voodoo and hokey, but you feel it. And what I love about it is they say at one point that these are just laws of physics. These are not, dharma just means laws of physics. That if you take care of your body, you'll be healthy. For example, it's a law. It's like a physics.
Right.
If you lie, if you're not kind to others, if you steal, if you're corrupt, you will not be at peace. It's in our nature. So it talks about being a good person, being kind, living a good, decent living. So it is, in a way, just a way of life to live the happiest possible, not have too much attachment. Try to understand this me is also a concept. There's no me. We just like programmed to preserve ourselves because of this me. So this is just ego. So this is, I think, very helpful to know. And all religions were basically, they use these dharma laws. उसको रिलीजन में पैक कर दिया ताकि लोगों को समझ आए कहानियों से,
लोग डर के माने उसको,
डर के माने, easier to visualize gods. What has happened is people have forgotten the teaching. Every religion teaches the same thing. Same. Be kind, be charitable, don't hurt others, love God, surrender yourself, don't have ego, ghamand mat karo. Every religion is same. But people have forgotten those actual teachings. But what we have done is another human trait, which is tribalism and groupism. which also we love.
हम्म
Like even in primates, chimpanzees, it's there. हम अपने तरह के लोगों के साथ सेफ फील करते हैं.
हम्म
तो अब हम इस रिलीजन के हैं तो हम अपनी एक जैसे हैं. तो हम we feel safe and then we don't like the other one and we've forgotten the teachings. The teachings are also not opinions. The teachings are also laws of nature, which is basically laws of physics.
हम्म
So that's
Interesting.
that's the, I don't know if I'm making sense,
No, no,
but
you are.
we've gone into really deep layer spirituality here. But this is very important for all of us to understand.
आपने बीच में बोला कि आई हैड टू लर्न स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी.
Yes.
इनफैक्ट आपने रील भी डाली थी कल परसों इसके बारे में. तो हाउ इज बुक राइटिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी? थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस बताओ बेसिक लेवल पे.
Book has a big plot. It's hundreds of pages. I can set up characters. I can take couple of pages to show who is this person, क्या करता है ये वो. Stand-up comedy is made up of something called bits, and then a lot of bits become an act. Bits basically means छोटे paragraphs in which you have to immediately create laughter. It's almost like writing jokes, but the jokes have to be connected somewhat once to the other, to the other, to the other, and then some interconnection is there. So it's a much shorter window, and either people laugh or they don't laugh. इसमें कोई
ज्यादा टफ था?
much tougher,
अच्छा.
very tough, and I didn't have to perform.
हाँ
Hopefully I will one day.
हाँ मैं आपको बोलने वाला था.
I will because I
करना
think as
चाहिए
part of
आपको.
this promotion maybe I will do something.
We have a studio here.
I will come. I'm secret desire थी
हाँ
to do stand-up comedy one day, and I had made a word file with jokes.
अच्छा.
But then
Even
I never
before you started writing this
yes,
book. Oh
yes,
wow. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Because I was thinking I'll perform one day.
Wow.
वो तो हुआ नहीं. But then I thought of this book and I said, oh, I have that file. तो वो सारे jokes इसमें हैं. All the jokes Saket makes are
a part of that word file.
But that separate word file which was my act. Yes.
तो you have a set ready in a way. देखा जाए तो
है पर अब इसमें डाल दिया है. So
but काफी नहीं होगा ना इसमें.
नहीं and I put maybe 20-30% of it.
But how did you learn this? Like अपने mind को change कैसे किया यार? मुझे इस तरीके से stand up comedy लिखनी.
I mean I've always had a flair for humor. Even 5.1 was a funny book. 2 States funny book. So I like humor. I like comedy a lot. It's just that actual fast comedy of like performing is something little different. But I do feel like humor, very few funny books are there. मेरे को बताओ last few years में funny book कौन सी आई है? Or you have even
I don't recall any. Yeah.
हाँ, because it's hard to write them. So I thought if I write a funny book, हंसा दिया एक बार लोगों को, then they love the character. Then they feel bad for him जब उसका breakup होगा.
मैंने क्योंकि stand up comedy shows बहुत देखे हैं, मेरे पास तो access भी है, right? तो मैं जब वो बिल्डअप कर रहा होता है ना साकेत इन दी एलिमेंट ऑफ स्टेज शोज परफॉर्म कर रहा है, आई एम एबल टू सी के लोग जब यहाँ पे ओपन माइक्स करते हैं तो वो भी सेम ही तरीके से पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं. दे ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अप. अच्छा लाफ नहीं आया, ओ शिट, ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. आई वोंट गो मच डीपर इनटू दैट, बट इट वाज वेरी लाइक आपने वो लाइफ जियो जैसे.
करेक्ट.
इस तरीके से आपने उस चीज को पोर्ट्रे किया है.
Because I did try to observe a lot of stand-up comics.
किस को ऑब्जर्व किया?
So actually I have done a stand-up comedy episode in Amazon Prime. There was a show called
yes.
One Mic Stand.
Yes. Yeah.
One Mic Stand. Yes.
Correct.
Season 2.
Episode
3. And I remember doing it. I was quite nervous. You get very nervous doing it.
आपका इंस्पिरेशन कौन था राइटिंग के लिए स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन?
So I have interacted with them a lot and I asked them क्या insecurities होती हैं, क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. So I did all that research.
क्योंकि एक ना लाइन आपने बीच में बोली कि स्टैंड अप कॉमेडीज एसेंशियली अराउंड मेरी जो इस टाइम पे बुरी हालत चल रही है ना, अगर मैं उसको लोगों को उसमें पेन में एवरी पेन विल टेल अ कॉमेडी स्टोरी अराउंड इट. लाइक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दैट.
हाँ,
कि जो मेरे साथ बुरा हो रहा है अगर मैं उसको पोर्ट्रे कर दूं.
अगर कोई यहाँ आया और केले के छिलके पे फिसल गया तो हमें तो फनी लगेगा ना, उसके साथ तो बुरा ही हो रहा है.
सही बात है.
तो there is always that element in comedy you can use. And since Saket is going through a lot of pain through his divorce, I felt like not only it's a great way to make the character likable to the audience, to the readers, and also makes for a good comedy.
Versus screenplay, क्योंकि आप स्क्रीन प्ले भी कर चुके हो. स्क्रीन राइटिंग जिसको मैं बोलूं.
स्क्रीन प्ले इज 1/4 the length of a book. It will not have descriptions. It will have a lot less. It's almost like cutting down to the skeleton because the actor does a lot of things. I can just say.
But you don't have to tell that actor to do all of this in the writing.
You just say he enters the room, he's sad. अब वो सैड अपने हिसाब से करेगा ना.
हाँ.
आई डोंट हैव टू शो कि अपना हाथ उसने माथे पे रखा या वो रोया.
लाइक इन द बुक फॉर एग्जांपल, जब हम कोई सीन दिखा रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कि हम इवन लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सेम सीन वेयर पायल एंड साकेत आर गेटिंग इंटीमेट, राइट? यू शो द एंटायर सराउंडिंग्स,
हाँ
बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली विजुअल कुछ नहीं है,
हाँ.
यू हैव टू
मेरे
शो
को
इट,
पिल्लो भी डिस्क्राइब करना है, चादर
आपको
भी
सब कुछ
डिस्क्राइब करना
डिस्क्राइब
है.
करना है
हाँ,
ना,
वो नहीं
बट
होता.
स्क्रीन प्ले स्क्रीन राइटिंग पे वो
वो
सब
नहीं
नहीं है.
लिखना. दे एंटर द बेडरूम एंड दे हैव पैशनेट सेक्स.
सो हु डिसाइड्स दैट कि यहाँ
तो
पे एलिमेंट होगा?
तो वो आर्ट डायरेक्टर
वो
होगा.
आर्ट डायरेक्टर करेगा. अच्छा.
ठीक है. और डायरेक्टर बताएगा कि ऐसे बैठो, आप इसको ऐसे किस करो.
हाँ.
मेरे को एकदम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है कि
हाँ.
मेरे को यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा ही किस्ड हर ऑन द नेक.
Because you are also the art
Take
director in
another
this case.
example.
हाँ.
Like, not doesn't have to be sex scenes.
ठीक है.
You are really focusing on those.
I want the audience to be interested in ना.
Well, yes, there is a 2-3 sex scenes.
हाँ.
Yes.
ठीक है. अब मुझे एक चीज और समझनी है. मैं बहुत ज्यादा क्यूरियस हूँ इस बात को समझने के लिए. हाउ डू यू, आपने क्योंकि लाइकेबिलिटी की बात बोली, how do you make a character and why was it necessary for Saket to be likable?
Because in our country, divorce is a huge stigma.
हाँ.
और आप सोचो, मैं हीरो बना रहा हूँ जो 33-year-old और डिवोर्स्ड है. Right from the beginning. I mean, now I have to make this guy desirable and worthwhile for this 21-year-old girl to choose him. So he has to be worthwhile कि हाँ believable लगना चाहिए कि भाई 21 साल की प्राइवेट इक्विटी की लड़की को भी इससे प्यार हो सकता है. अदरवाइज लोगों ने तो हो ही नहीं सकता. And the second thing is he's divorced and he's older. तो already लोगों को लगेगा ये तो exploit कर रहा है लड़की को. So to make him likable is very important. Anyway, it's a love story. Love story is boy and girl. If you don't like the boy and girl, if you don't care about the boy and girl, you don't care whether they have their love story ends, how it ends, whether they get together or not. I never liked them anyway. But if you, the moment you feel like, यार ये साकेत तो अच्छा बंदा है,
हाँ.
you know, क्या होता है
इसका जीतना तो बनना
हाँ
चाहिए.
इसका जीतना चाहिए.
हाँ.
root for him, that's why I'm saying.
हाँ.
So the more you like the character, the more the audience roots for the character.
हाँ.
So I had to make sure he's likable. The fact that he's stand-up comic and he's making people laugh makes him a little more likable because, and of course he's gone through a bad divorce. And the fact that he's so much in love with Payal, I mean, he just never changes that, right? He just loves her. And I think that's...
Do you think men forget their first love?
No. Men don't forget any love. वो तो मतलब breakup हो जाता है, but nobody forgets. We just learn to live with, their absence. But you don't forget. I at least I'm like that. I mean, I'm very romantic, but I never forget anything.
आपको पहला प्यार याद है अपना?
Yeah.
क्योंकि आपने ये बात बोली है.
Yeah, of course. Yes, I do. I was in college and she was my girlfriend. IIT में.
Of course, अब तो.
Yes, and you never forget, and you never stop caring in a way. But of course, you lives separate and सब अपनी अपनी journey पे चले जाते हैं. So I think, and this is not Saket's first love. I mean, in a way it is because that was an arranged marriage.
Right.
But yeah.
Arranged forced marriage. Yeah.
Arranged forced तो नहीं, he did it voluntarily. Forced कैसे है? वो
मतलब
गन पॉइंट पे तो नहीं हुई
ना. पे तो नहीं है खैर.
But we all get in, like he talks about this कि we there are these tick markers in society. डिग्री ले ली, नौकरी कर ली, शादी कर ली, बच्चा कर लिया, टिक 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 टिक. और ऐसे लगता है हम उन्हीं के लिए जी रहे हैं कि लोग हमें ओके कह दें. Until like this guy decides कि बहुत हो गया यार, अब I'm going to become stand-up comic. I'm just going to be, and in a way that's me, right? I lived that life of tick marking, did IIT, IIM, bank, and then I said, you know what? This is not making me happy. I want to be a writer. So in a way, there's straight parallel from my life to this.
And how do you make it relatable? जैसे likability is something which you decided कि साकेत को होना पड़ेगा likable, because otherwise वो loser लगेगा, hero नहीं लगेगा, है ना? But relatability
सब कुछ ही पूछ लोगे.
Relatability का part बताओ बस.
Relatability comes from the fact that he's in a very Indian setting, and I think my readership is mostly Indian, and the conflict he's facing is a very universal kind of conflict, like Payal's parents. Your girlfriend's parents also seem like that, were like that.
Yeah.
Maybe not 100%, but obviously मैं थोड़ा ड्रामा ज़्यादा डालता हूँ.
But मैं भी ज़्यादा डाल रहा हूँ थोड़ा.
हाँ, तो good. So by putting him in situations which are quite common, that creates relatability.
एंड लेट्स से आप डिसाइड करते हो कि ठीक है पुरानी बुक्स की तरह इस बुक को भी बॉलीवुड वाले बनाना चाहे तो बना सकते हैं। आई नो आपने बोला था कि मैं पीछे नहीं करूंगा, बट कोई आएगा तो ठीक है, देख लेंगे।
Sure, yes.
Who do you think will be able to fit into the character of Saket?
You know, I can't. Because it's a nice fantasy game to play, but I know these people, and if I take someone's name, जिसका नहीं लिया बोलेगा अच्छा अब आ रहा है मेरे पास, like, अगर वो नहीं मिला जो ड्रीम वाला है, तो इसलिए there is no such thing. Many people can play the part. I am very confident about my character. Even a newcomer can play it. So it's not so dependent on an actor. Many actors can fit the part really well. I mean, I think I've built a strong enough character that a absolute newcomer can also do it.
मैंने बहुत टाइम से ना इतनी क्रेजी या बहुत पैशनेट लव स्टोरी, फॉर एग्जांपल टू स्टेट्स इज माय फेवरेट.
Oh, thank you.
ठीक है, मतलब मैं उसका गाना जो है यू नो ऑल ऑफ दैट, स्पेशली एक लास्ट सीन होता है जहाँ पे फादर जो है वो चुपचाप से चला जाता है और जाके यू नो लड़की वालों से बात करके आता है. That gives goosebumps. मतलब और भी बहुत सारे सीन्स
अब तक याद है आपको? देखो
मुझे अब तक याद है, बिकॉज आई लाइक डीपली कनेक्टेड विद दैट कि यार क्या इमोशन है. you know, उस इमोशनल लेवल की पिक्चर्स अभी बहुत टाइम से मैंने नहीं देखी बॉलीवुड में आते हुए. एनी पर्टिकुलर रीजन व्हाई वी आर लैकिंग इट?
You know, the business pressure is too much on Bollywood. For books, at least the input cost is not that much. I just have to write, and that's okay. So I can take more risks, I can take more experiments. Whereas in Bollywood, the item number डालो और you know इस actor को लो, उस actor को लो, ये दिखाओ. So the true artists stay away from Bollywood.
So love stories in Bollywood are not doing well. या बोल रहे हो?
Yeah, they weren't. एक इस साल अच्छी करी है बहुत ज्यादा, सायारा. But they were actually out. That one actually gives me hope कि maybe इसकी भी adaptation अच्छा कर सकती है. But you know, it's Bollywood itself like is in a down overall. The aggregate revenues are
going
down.
Market is
there's
declining.
a lot of other content available in a attention war economy.
अभी आपने देखा The Bads of Bollywood जो आया है?
नहीं,
it's crazy. I love it.
Yeah, nice.
I mean, at least it's very वो relatability की बात करें ना, तो it's more what's happening around you right now.
Okay, I'll have a look.
That's crazy. Yeah. So thank you so much.
Thank you for reading the book and asking such in-depth questions about me, my writing, because a lot of people don't do that kind of effort, I must say. And they really like believe it or not, I've never been asked how do you make a character likable and how do you make him relatable in 21 years. They will
क्या
ask,
बात कर रहे हो?
they will ask what was it like to meet the actors on the set, or they will ask
उनको रील कटवानी
how
है
does it mean to be so famous, or you know like the politics, or they'll talk anything else. But the writing के बारे में आपने पूछा, I mean I'm really grateful. It's an art form and I want to keep it alive, you know. I want people to read, I want people to write. 2025 में भी लगे हुए हैं and
2035 में भी लगे रहना, मैं तो ये बोलूँगा.
They will never go away. Books will never go away. Books, I mean I'm sure people जब रेडियो आया होगा, टीवी आया होगा, सबने कहा होगा बुक्स खत्म, but they are not. No.
Thank you so much. Love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो क्या नाम से करोगे?
मेरा नाम जो है नितिन बजाज.
And वो दोनों सेम
नेम. आप मेरे को लग रहा है मैंने बहुत ज्यादा सेक्स के सवाल पूछ लिया ना, तो आप नाम बोलिए मेरा.
यार तू सेक्स के सवाल इतने पूछता क्यों?
अरे तो आप बुक में इतनी बातें लिखते तो मैं पूछूंगा नहीं.
बुक तो 4 पेज के 400 में से 4 पेज सेक्स है, तो तुमने उसके अलावा कुछ बात नहीं करनी.
4 पेज जो थे ना वो क्रेजी इंटेंसिटी वाले थे, ये तो मैं बोलूं. क्या किया तुमने सेक्स पढ़ने के बाद? क्या करता है इंसान सेक्स पढ़ने के बाद, ये बताओ मुझे. एक लड़का सिंगल, व्हाट विल दैट गाय डू?
सर ये तो एक तरह से
स्पेशली इतना पैशनेट सेक्सी हो,
इतना पॉर्न दुनिया का अवेलेबल है, आपको हमारी किताब के 4 पन्ने ही मिल रहे हैं.
बट ये तो अच्छी बात है ना कि आपने इतने डिटेल में उसको इंट्रिकेसी दिखाई है उसकी.
चलो आई एम ग्लैड हमने आपको सुख दिया.